Ninja Man's family member, 16-year-old SHANNOYA Dyer, aka JENAE, has gone missing, and Ninja Man and his family is seeking the public's help to locate the young lady. If anybody know her whereabouts or can provide any information as to her disappearance, I suppose you could contact Ninja Man or the nearest police station. So that is SHANNOYA Dyer, 16 years old, also called JENAE. She has been missing for about a day or two. This is what Ninja Man had to say about the situation.
Alright, people, you notice I see me post two picture a while of one little girl. She named SHANNOYA. Let me tell you something. She missing from about 3 days now or so, or 4 days now, or a week now or so. Yo, me tell you this girl, you have that girl in any bandage my youth. Remember, say one of my family used to know have. You don't fear body come out. Dead. The judge can't tell me if you do no more, you know. The lawyer can't tell me if you do no more, you know. The prime minister can't tell me if you do no more. The government me don't take talk from people. So anyone no send back our picture, send back her now. Any whosoever have her. Me tell you this. And this is what me tell you when me put on me I take you up back, and this time me no plan for God jail, me I plan for dead. So anyhow she not come back. Me I ask anybody who see them two pictures that me post like a while. She's just a little 16-year-old girl. One daughter for her mother they are foreign and struggle to make she have things out of life. And anybody have her in their house or have her anywhere, let her go like yesterday. And me I come down at that the country there, you know, and when me done with it, you know, anyhow me not get back that don't have life for mash up. Yeah? I want no life. And little girl, if you're in a man house, lock up with no man, go back to your yard, because if me come and care any other man thing, and you go back to your yard and make we find your outer road, me I go broke your 2 and your 2 foot. And the man where you lock up with, him I go dead. Because at university and college, if you go to come out and be a girl where run up and down with a little careless boy. Any man will go take you out of your pick girl, please look on the picture of my post and send her back. Because if you don't send her back, me I go hunt to know, and this is not police are hunt to know. Me I go hear, me I go know, me a bad man, me investigate, and me find me opponent them, and me find me victim them, and me fix them. Don't make me come out of my shell. Yeah? Send back the people them pitney. So people all around the see that pick them picture them, me just post the while article people. Just do something for me now. Send it to the whole world. And make them people and know say anywhere in the world she there. We are going to make sure them know. We already send all information to the police, and we are sending it both internationally and locally. You understand me? So anybody will have her, I go in a problem, you know. I mean, I give you no long time, you know. I want her back like yesterday. Because some of me I give you till tomorrow, or next week. Yesterday, I want her back. And anyhow, I not get her back. Me I come investigate down there. And anywhere me hear she pass, anywhere she stop, them people have to give me aware of, give me information which part she stop. And anywhere she stop, them have to give me information which part she missing. And which part she missing, me I deal with everything that's totally missing. I say case where they're in court in front of me is nothing, because this time I me I go come for no. And no cases where them I go say me innocent and I go to jail innocent. This is one me all guilty for. So me I give no like yesterday for bring back the people and pitney. Little lady they are fine Tanya cried straight. When her daughter missing, she don't have a son, she don't have one daughter she have. Listen me, don't ramp with me now. Anyhow no make me this week done, as we say yesterday, she fit dead back her yard. Anybody will have her, bring her back. This is not one who can ramp with and get away. Bring her back, as every man we in that something here, we are take where the people in Pitney are involved in, you know, whether him sex slave, or jug mule, or una take them with whatever you want to take them off do. Me go start kill the whole of uno. I mean ask me know the whole of uno if you find uno. Me go kill uno. And my friend them I go kill you no. And for my battalion, the biggest battalion in the country. Me have friends that read my jungle, Southside, Tivoli, Spoilers, Telabel, Spanish Town, Montego Bay, Mob, me network. So you bring back the people in Pitney. Else you go dead.
I don't have a lot of information as it relates to the young lady. Only thing I know is that she's 16 years old. I don't know exactly where she lives. Her Facebook profile is saying that she is from Mandeville. She's 16 years old. I think her birthday will be the 18th of July. She's an only child. That much was clear from listening Ninja Man. If you have any information, as I said, you can call the nearest police station, or you can try calling 290-7935. So that is the situation at the moment. SHANNOYA Dyer, aka JENAE, has been missing. So if you are able to provide any information as it relates to her whereabouts, please contact the number that I mentioned earlier, or contact the nearest police. Hopefully she's returned home safely. Watching this one. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below, and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.